Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Glide app. First, you will create an account or sign into the platform. Then, you can choose from hundreds of pre-built templates or start with a blank canvas. Connecting your data source, like a Google Sheet, is the next crucial step. This allows your app to display and interact with your information seamlessly, setting the foundation for your custom application, which is very exciting. Once your data is connected, it is time to design your app's interface. You can customize the layout and appearance of each screen, choosing from various themes and styles. Drag and drop components such as text, images, buttons, and forms onto your screens. Arranging these elements thoughtfully ensures an intuitive and user-friendly experience for everyone interacting with your new application. Now, let's add some powerful functionality to your app. You can implement various actions for buttons, like navigating between screens or submitting data to your source. Set up filters and sorting options to allow users to easily find and organize information. Furthermore, integrating external services can significantly expand your app's capabilities, offering a richer and more dynamic experience for your users. Finally, it is time to share your creation with the world. Before publishing, always preview your app on different devices to ensure it looks and functions perfectly. Once satisfied, publish your app to make it live and accessible. You can then easily share it with your audience using a custom link or a convenient QR code, reaching hundreds or even thousands of potential users.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.